We are going to be using our force and motion simulation in Amplify to complete our experiment. We're going to be exerting different forces on object A. That's our independent variable, the variable we're purposely changing. And then we're going to be observing object A's changes in velocity. That's our dependent variable. And our control variables in this simulation are going to be, we're only using object A. We're going to keep the surface as is. We're not going to change any friction. And we are going to apply our force in the same way, but different strengths. Okay, so to do that, we're going to be using the force in the run mode. Okay, and to actually see it, I need to increase my screen. Let me increase it this way. So to start off, I need to reset. I need to press prepare force, and I'm going to click on it once. Okay, according to my data table, I just need to click on it once, and that's my first trial. And then to actually see how my one click affects object A, I click on exert force, and I can see visually the blue lines that show the velocity and how my object A had started at rest and then it started moving. It accelerated. Let's click on Analyze to collect our data. So what helps is go down here to the blue scrubber, go to the beginning, and you notice a little bit after the starting point that it tells you with an arrow, a pink arrow, how much force you had put in with one click. It's 10 newtons. You're going to record it in your data table for force strength. 10 newtons is one click. And then for your dependent variable, you're looking at this data table right here. You can see that the starting velocity was 0 and the current velocity is 1 and the change in the velocity is 1.0. Okay, and the measurement is centimeters per second, a distance per time. Okay, so let's take a look at our data table and let's fill in our data. The force strength with that pink arrow was 10 newtons. Trial 1 was 1.00 centimeters per second. Okay, and for our experiment in middle school at least, we need to do 3 trials of every type of independent variable we're doing. So the first one is one click, as you can see in the data table. We need to do it 3 times and then take the average. Getting the average is adding all the trials and dividing by 3. So you're adding this number once you collect it, and this number, and you're dividing by 3, and you're recording it here. Then you're going back and doing the experiment with 3 clicks. You collect the force strength, what 3 clicks is equal to, and collect your data for trial 1, trial 2, trial 3, and then you're taking the average. And then the very last type of IV level is you are doing 5 clicks, record the force strength here, collect your data for trial 1, 2, and 3, and your average. And you're done with the experiment. You should be able to answer this question: how does the force strength affect the velocity change of an object? Good luck, you guys.